Today we're going to take a look at and review the DEWALT Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. It's the 108 piece. It comes with a very nice heavy duty case. So we're going to go ahead and just not waste any time and get right into it. So when you open your case here at the bottom, you see all your ratchets, your sockets, your extensions, all things of that nature. And then on the top portion of the case you have your hand driver, you got your Allen wrenches on both sides there, both the metric and standard, and then you actually have your case. And when you actually fold this, it fits in very nicely together. So to start at the top, we'll start with these Allen wrenches here. You can see they've got very clear embossed sizing, and it even flips open like that. So that's actually nice there. On this side, you have your millimeters here. This little case here has got some additional goodies in here. You can see all your different attachments there, different sizes, Phillips, flathead, all your star attachments. And then on this side you have your extenders. I like how organized this case keeps everything. Just pop everything right back where you found it. I brought the camera in a little bit on this bottom part so you can see exactly in great detail what you've got. So you can see here again more embossing of the sizes, so it's very clearly to identify even if it's dusty. Over here, if you can tell, you have your standard sizes. And then on this side you have your millimeter sizes. The case itself can be a little hard to get these sockets out. You've really got to get in there and pull it out. So if your hands are a little oily from working on an engine or something, you're definitely going to need a screwdriver or a little assistance to get that in there. But it pops right back in. Here are the two ratchets. Here's the bigger 3/8. I've had this set for some time and I absolutely love it. It's very convenient. The size of the case makes it very convenient to throw it on a UTV, ATV, whatever you've got, or even just carry around out in the field. If there's any issue though I have with this, and it's not really a deal breaker, but it's just something I want you guys to know, is if I'm actually trying to tighten a bolt or loosen something, I don't know if it's the shape of my hand, I don't know if this is just a little bit too long, too high, what the deal is, but when I'm actually trying to tighten a bolt, sometimes my hand will make the lever go the opposite way. Fix that and then keep working. So it's not a deal breaker, but I wanted to mention that to y'all. But overall, it's a typical DEWALT product. Overall, this is a fantastic set. I highly recommend it. I think it's a great value and great quality for the value that you get. When I'm out in the field on my mower or on my tractor and anything goes wrong mechanically where I need tools, this is always the one I grab, and it always has the size and everything I need to get the job done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review has helped.